What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing a witch from Minecraft. Let's begin in the center of a page with a nose. Starting right in the middle, draw a straight line coming all the way down towards the bottom. Let's go back up to the top. We're just going to angle this up and out towards the left. Come down towards the bottom and draw that same length line. Let's close off the outside with another straight line. Now we want to pull the nose away from the face. Let's draw on the top and side of the nose. Starting from the top, draw a straight angle line coming back up. Draw the same angle line on the right. Close off the top with another angled line. Let's come down to the bottom and draw that same line going up towards the right. And then we'll close off the side. Now we're going to lay the eyes on top of the nose. So we want to extend this line out towards the left and then the right side. And then from the ends, we're going to go all the way up towards the top with a straight line. And we'll close off the top. Let's split this top section in half. Coming down, draw another angled line coming all the way across towards the right. And then from the top corners of the nose, draw a straight line going up underneath the eyebrow. We're also going to split the eyes in half, coming down on the left and right. Let's add a mole on the right side of the nose. We go up and out, come down, and then back in. Now let's draw the bottom edge of the head. From the bottom corner of the nose, let's step up, draw a straight angle line coming down and out. We're going to extend this line in behind the nose, going up towards the left. Let's pull the side of the head going all the way up towards the bottom edge of the hat to right about there. Go to the inside and draw that same length line, going all the way up to right about here. Let's place the edge of the hat brim on top of the head. From this point, we're going to step out and draw a straight angle line aiming towards this line. Coming down and then across. And then from the ends, draw a straight line going up. And we'll close off the top with another straight angled line. And then we'll work our way out towards the back. Starting from this point, go up and out, go up to the top. Draw that again, just lining this up on the outside, and then come straight down. Let's go back down to the bottom corner of the head. I'm just going to angle this up and out. I just want to tuck this up underneath the hat brim, going all the way up towards the top. Now we want to layer the hat on top of the hat brim. From this point, let's step up, start with another point. I'm just going to follow that same angle line, going out towards the left to right about there. Let's go back down, angle up towards the right. And then from these 3 points, we're going to draw that same length line going up, go up in the middle, and up on the right. Let's connect the top of the left line to the center with another angled line. And we'll pull this up towards the right. And now we're going to tuck the back of the hat brim in behind. From this point, angle up and in. Do the same thing on the right. Let's add that buckle and the strap. Leaving a gap in the center, draw 2 lines. One on the left, and then one on the right. And we'll close off the top. Let's trace the square along the inside. Let's go to the top left of the buckle, step down, angle up and out, and we'll continue toward the center of the hat, go all the way toward the back of the hat. Now I'm going to step down and draw that again, coming in towards the buckle, toward the center, and then up towards the back. Now let's go up to the top corners, angle this in and up with a short line. Now trace this angled line, coming down and in towards the middle, and then up towards the back. Now we're going to tilt the top of the hat over towards the right. From this point, angle up and out. Go to the right side, draw a short angled line going up, and we'll close this off with a straight line. And now we're going to go back to the bottom point and draw that same angle line going all the way up towards the top. Now let's draw on the tip of the hat. From here, go up, go across and down. And now we're going to pull that back down toward the top of the hat. Go to the top right, slope this down, and back down toward the top of the hat. Now we're going to move back down and draw on the front of the body. From the outside corners of the head, draw a straight line coming down. Close off the bottom with a straight angled line. Now the arms are going to come across towards the front of the body. From this point, we're going to angle up towards the edge of the head. And then from the top, slope the arm coming down and out. Let's line this up in behind the head, going up and out with a short line. And now we're going to pull the arms forward. From the outside, angle down toward the left. Take that same length line on the right, all the way down toward the bottom. And we'll close off the bottom with another straight angled line. Now we're going to give the arm some thickness. From the outside corner, angle down and in. Let's take that same length line from the right corner and then from the top. And now we're going to connect the ends with a straight line. Starting with the right side, go all the way over toward the left, just follow that same angle coming across. From the outside corners of the neck, we're going to step in, draw that same angled line, coming down towards the edge of the arms, and we'll follow this angled line coming down towards the bottom. Now we want to continue the front edge of the head coming down underneath the arms. Just going to pull this all the way down towards the bottom. And then we'll do the same thing along the outside. Now this line is going to come down a little bit higher than the one on the right. Connect the ends with a straight angled line. And we'll do the same thing along the back. Extending this down in behind the arms. Continue underneath the arm. And down to right about here. Connect the inside corner to the back with a straight angled line. And now we're going to tuck the feet in underneath the body. On that outside corner, let's step in, draw a line coming down. On that inside corner, step in, draw that same length line, and we'll close off the bottom. From this point, we're going to pull the feet going all the way towards the back and up underneath the body. Let's split that front area in half from top to bottom. Now we're going to move back up and draw on the collar. From the side of the nose, we're going to step over, draw a straight line coming down, and go up and in underneath the nose, and then pull that straight down in behind the arms. And we're going to continue this line underneath the arms, coming all the way down towards the bottom. Let's go back up to the top, step out towards the left underneath the nose, draw another line coming down. Continue that along the bottom, underneath the arms, toward the feet. And that's pretty much it. There's the witch from Minecraft. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.